Welcome to our YouTube video on turquoise. As someone who has worked extensively with this stunning stone, I'm excited to share its fascinating history and essential tips for distinguishing real turquoise from its imitations. Join me as we uncover the secrets of turquoise and learn how to spot authenticity. Let's dive in.
Our story begins over 5,000 years ago. The ancient Egyptians, known for their opulent adornments, were among the first to value turquoise. They used it for everything from jewelry to amulets, and even carved it into scarabs and other ornamental objects. Imagine turquoise artifacts dating back to 3000 BCE, resting in tombs waiting to tell their story. Moving across the world to the southwestern United States, turquoise holds a revered place in Native American cultures. Tribes like the Navajo, Hopi, and Zuni saw turquoise as more than just a beautiful stone. For them, it was a protective talisman, a harbinger of good fortune, and a vital component of their jewelry, pottery, and religious ceremonies. Meanwhile, in the East, the name turquoise was born. It's believed to have originated from the French phrase pierre turquoise, meaning Turkish stone, as the gem was first brought to Europe via Turkey. However, the turquoise of the time was mined extensively in Persia, now known as Iran, where it was prized for its quality and color. Persian turquoise found its way into jewelry, ornamental objects, and even the architectural designs of the time. As trade routes expanded during the Renaissance, turquoise's popularity soared among European royalty and aristocracy. Adorning oneself with turquoise jewelry became a fashionable statement, a trend that persists to this day. In modern times, turquoise mining is carried out in various corners of the world, from the United States and Mexico to China and Iran. Each region produces turquoise with unique qualities and color variations, attracting collectors and jewelry designers alike. But turquoise is not just a pretty stone. Throughout history, it's been associated with healing, wisdom, protection, and good fortune. In some cultures, it's believed that turquoise can even change color to warn its wearer of danger. In our contemporary world, turquoise continues to be a sought-after gemstone. Its vibrant hues embellish rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets, adding a touch of exotic beauty. And in a nod to history, turquoise remains a key element in contemporary Native American jewelry, keeping alive the traditions and craftsmanship of generations past. So the allure of turquoise is a blend of beauty, symbolism, and cultural significance. Its rich history is a testament to its timeless appeal, a gemstone that has traveled through time and across cultures, always capturing the human imagination. A stone, not just of the earth, but of the people who have cherished it.
Can you tell the difference between real turquoise and its imitations? It may not be as straightforward as you think. Today we're going to explore the various turquoise substitutes that often fool even the most discerning eyes. First on our list is howlite. This naturally white stone is often dyed blue to imitate turquoise. It's a popular choice due to its affordability and widespread availability. However, despite its similar color, it doesn't quite match the hardness or durability of real turquoise. Next up, we have dyed magnesite. This is another white stone that frequently gets a blue makeover to resemble our coveted turquoise. Like howlite, it's a more budget-friendly alternative, yet it falls short when it comes to the value and longevity of genuine turquoise. Third on the list is chrysocolla. This copper-bearing mineral is often found alongside turquoise, boasting a similar blue-green shade. However, it tends to be more vibrant and less opaque than turquoise. While it may be a close match in color, it doesn't quite measure up in terms of opacity and texture. Our fourth contender is variscite, a greenish mineral that can mimic certain types of turquoise, especially those with a lighter blue or green hue. It's frequently used as a turquoise substitute in jewelry. Despite its resemblance, it lacks the same depth of color and natural patterns found in real turquoise. Fifth on the list is amazonite, a greenish-blue variety of feldspar. At times, it can bear a striking resemblance to turquoise, yet it's typically lighter in color and has a more translucent appearance, setting it apart from the dense, opaque look of authentic turquoise. Finally, we have imitation resin or plastic. These man-made materials can be molded and colored to mimic the appearance of turquoise. They're commonly found in inexpensive jewelry pieces. While they may look the part, they utterly lack the natural properties and value of genuine turquoise. In conclusion, while these substitutes can imitate the look of turquoise to varying degrees, they often lack the same hardness, durability, and value as the real deal. So, the next time you're admiring a piece of turquoise jewelry, remember to look a little closer. You might just be looking at one of these clever imitations.